All. Today in this video, we will learn how we can create a computed field in Odoo. So for this purposes, we will first navigate on a purchase order. In order to create a field on a purchase order record. So now let's navigate on purchase order. So now here, what we can do, we can create three fields. The third one field will be the computed field. You can just simply click on the studio button in order to add three fields. Now let's create here. And just label it as value of x, and just click here so that it will save the field. Now add one new field with the name of value of y. Just give the name of value of y here. Now add one more field with the name of sum of the values. So this new field will basically be the computed field. So now we can rename it as sum of the values, sum of values, and now can save this field here. So once all these fields are created, we can simply close this studio. Now what we need to do, we just need to go into the models. So for that purposes, I need to activate the debug mode on. So let me activate the debug mode. Now simply I will start typing models, and here I can go into the models, and actually I've created the fields in purchase order. So I will just find the purchase.order. So here we have the model in which we have created these three fields. So I can open up all the fields. So here you can see that we have created these three fields. So basically this field will be the computed field. So I will just click over here, and we just need to remember that this field will be computed with the value of these two fields. So I can go here, simply just click on the field. So now what we need to do, we just need to provide the dependencies. So basically this computed field is dependent on two of the fields, which is X Studio value of X and X Studio value of Y. So if we need to provide multiple dependencies, so we can use the comma as a separator. So let me just type here the field name X Studio value of X, comma, another field name X Studio value of Y. Now in order to compute this field, we can simply copy this example code from here, and now we can just simply save it here. Here in this record a field, we just need to provide the specific field for which we are computing the values. So here we can provide this X Studio sum of values, sum of values, and here we can just simply remove this length, and here we can provide the field name which we need to sum up. So if you want to sum this field as value of X plus value of Y, so we can just provide record dot field name, and simply press plus button, and now we can use the another field record dot X Studio value of Y. So now our formula is completed, that this field will be the sum of value of X and value of Y. Now I can just simply save this field, and I can save this model record. Now if I go into the purchase order and create a new purchase order, so let me show you that how this computed field will work. So here, if I create a new, I say the value of x is 15. So you can see that the sum of values gets 15. Now, if I say that the sum of value is 25, so we can see that system has automatically sum up both of the values. So basically, this is very simple way that how you can simply create a computed field in Odoo. So thanks for watching and stay tuned with us for more videos.